Which electric skillet with a lid is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the right answer. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the best options for your kitchen. Product number 1, Elite Gourmet EG808. First up, we have the Elite Gourmet EG808 electric skillet. Priced at just $26.99, this compact option caught my attention with its 8x8 size and 600W power. If you want a budget-friendly skillet that's perfect for small meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this skillet stands out. It features a multi-layer non-stick coating that makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. You can dial the temperature from 200 degrees F to 400 degrees F, which means you can simmer or sear with confidence. Plus, its compact design fits perfectly in tight spaces like dorms or RVs, and with 6,100 reviews rating it 4.6 stars, it's clearly a crowd favorite. This matters because it ensures you can whip up eggs, bacon, or even a quick stir-fry without worrying about food sticking. Here's the thing though, if you mostly cook for 1 or 2 people, this won't be a deal breaker. It's actually a great option for those smaller meals or quick snacks. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for yourself or a partner. Skip this one if you regularly prepare meals for a crowd. For the price, you're getting a solid skillet that won't break the bank. Now, if the smaller size bothered you, the next product on my list takes a completely different approach with a larger capacity. Product number 2, Elite Gourmet PFAS-free ceramic skillet. Next, we have the Elite Gourmet PFAS-free ceramic electric skillet priced at $49.99. This 12x12 skillet really caught my eye with its extra deep sides and non-toxic ceramic coating. If you want to cook larger meals without worrying about harmful chemicals, this one is definitely worth considering. What makes this one special? The 3-inch sidewalls help contain splatters, making it great for everything from stir-fries to braises. The adjustable thermostat lets you set the heat anywhere from 200 degrees F to 400 degrees F, ensuring even cooking. With the same 4.6-star rating from 6,100 reviews, it's clearly a hit among users. This matters because it means you can confidently cook for your family without the worry of toxic substances. But here's the thing, if you use proper utensils, you can extend its life significantly. It's definitely a fantastic option if you prefer healthier cooking methods. This is perfect for you if you like to prepare larger meals for the family. Skip this one if you're solely cooking for one. For its features, the price is pretty reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra space. Product number 3, Elite Gourmet EG6203. Coming in at number 3, we have the Elite Gourmet EG6203 Extra Deep Skillet, which is priced at $59.99. This skillet features a massive 10.5 quart capacity, making it ideal for big family meals. If you're frequently cooking for groups, this is definitely worth a look. It has a honeycomb non-stick coating that promises easy food release and cleanup. The rapid heating element ensures even heat distribution, so you won't end up with cold spots in your food. With an impressive 4.6 stars from nearly 9,400 reviews, it's a solid choice for large gatherings. Here's why this matters. If you regularly host family dinners, this size will save you time and hassle. Some users mention that it's a bit heavy, making it harder to maneuver. But here's the thing, that weight also contributes to its durability and even cooking. If you don't mind the heft, you'll appreciate its quality. This is perfect for you if you often cook for 6 to 8 people. Skip this if you prefer something more lightweight for simple tasks. Considering the capacity and features, it offers great value for the price. Now, if that weight is a concern for you, the next product has a more manageable size. Product number 4, BELLA Make and Take Skillet. Next, we have the BELLA Make and Take electric skillet priced at $39.97. This skillet caught my attention with its unique space-saving design and stylish look. If you need something that's both functional and easy to store, this is worth checking out. What's cool about this skillet is its inverted lid design that saves up to 50% more space. The adjustable temperature control lets you cook it up to 400 degrees F, so whether you're frying or simmering, it handles it all. With a 4.5-star rating from over 16,800 reviews, people clearly love the practicality of this skillet. This matters because if kitchen space is limited, this compact design can be a game changer. However, some users felt that it may not heat as evenly as other options. But here's the thing, as long as you keep an eye on your cooking, it still delivers good results. It's perfect for those who are on the go or just need something stylish for their kitchen. This is perfect for you if you need a clever storage solution for your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger cooking area. Given its unique design, it's a great value. Now, if you want something even more spacious, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, Elite Gourmet 15x12 Skillet. Finally, we have the Elite Gourmet 15x12 electric skillet priced at $66.35. This large skillet offers a generous cooking surface and extra depth, perfect for those big meals. If you want something that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, this is definitely worth your consideration. The Ceralast PFAS-free ceramic coating is safe and durable, making cleanup easy. It has rapid heat distribution to eliminate hot spots, and the extra deep pan is excellent for serving 6 to 8 people. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,200 reviews, it's another strong contender. This is important for anyone who enjoys cooking for gatherings and wants consistent results every time. Some customers mention that it might take a bit longer to heat up than they expected. But here's the thing, once it gets going, it performs admirably. If you're patient, you'll appreciate how well it cooks. This is perfect for you if you frequently host family dinners or gatherings. Skip this if you're just cooking for yourself. For its size and features, it offers solid value for the money. So there you have it. From the compact Elite Gourmet EG808 to the spacious Elite Gourmet 15 Skillet, each option has something unique to offer based on your needs. Whether you're cooking for one or hosting a crowd, there's an electric skillet out there that's perfect for you.